The sun was shining on a gorgeous day for football Saturday. The Southern Matua Cowboys were looking to close the season with an extra W in the win column. G-Go Jets just looking for a win. Both teams have trouble establishing anything offensively in the first part of this one. The G-Go Jets get some positive yardage after some short runs and a couple of pass and catch plays. Jets' first drive chews up most of the first quarter clock until the momentum was halted by a Cowboy interception. Boys, though, can't do anything with the next drive. They punt it away and give the G-Go Jets possession only to get it back again after a fumble recovery. Back and forth for most of the first half. Turnover Central was all about the second quarter. However, start of the third, the rested, regrouped Cowboys come out and they start to separate themselves. They get some positive things going on offense, most importantly in the running game, and the Southern Cowboys show no mercy to the winless G-Go Jets. Boys win 13-0. They finish the season at 3-4. G-Go Jets 0-7.